Hi all, good morning. And today my section, how to going to restart AWS EC2 instance. So before you are going to initiate the AWS EC2 instance restart, we have to check some crash check, like go for description. So here you can check so what kind of instance and particular instance, and what kind of AMI using, and VPC ID and subnet. So what kind of subnet this is, take a just crash verified. So what kind of root device, block device. So the main things we have to check that public IP and availability zone and then private IP. So already I mentioned that every AWS instance, it has public IP and private IP. Why the reason I crash check those details, I will let you know in end of the session. So here I'm going to take my public IP first. This is my public IP, and based on the instance, this is my public and availability zones. So DNS value and availability zone value and private IP. So this on the before restart EC2 instance. So the main things, the real time it is not advisable, but some scenarios, very rare scenarios, we are going to restart the EC2 instance. So I crash verify, I take the details for other things. So I take small glance and satisfies everything, and monitoring is fine. Now I'm going to restart the web application, and this is my public, so public instance. Even this it's contained public subnet and private subnet. Fine, I'm going to take, see here, go action, in action, instant state, in instant state to the stop. So here what given the one notification, are you sure you want to stop this instance? Yes. And note, given note the alert that when your instance or stopped, any data embedded storage of your instance will be lost. So this point is, suppose if you maintain any temporary location, any data, there is not be all database data, it's temporarily where it is. So those data, the chances will be loose. So that notification will be given. So this is my test instance, so no worry about that, we can take the risk. So I given S, initiated first, stop the my public EC2 instance. So it's a web, I'm using this is for web application instance purpose. And yeah, taking and monitoring disable. So you just look it the security launch. Okay, ultra API launch is that. So you keep it very clear, this any changes will happen. Still it taking. So here you check. So when you check, this is telling it's not ready to see, it is not ready to access. And then you check it, you just go for description. So you can easily understand from the description the application, the web application EC2 AWS EC2 instance stopped. When stopped, what happened, that public DNS is got disabled, or maybe it's already disabled, so okay, no problem. But the public IP is got disabled here. So that means what? And notice here that private IP it's available, and AMI same, VPC ID is there, subnet is there. There is no changes, but the thing is only changes happen, every device is available. Only things only happen, the public IP is got disabled in description. So I'm going to restart my EC2 instance. Let's see, the same public IP is it created or newly one created. I'm going to give start, go for instance state and give the start. Yes, so it take time, so to brought up the EC2 instance. Meanwhile we crash check. So disable after reboot, after stop EC2 instance. And this is, we check, no changes, same only, so there is no changes. And already zone, so we check it, there is no changes, same. And yes, we checked private IP, same. So only for the public IP is disabled. Let's see, once we brought up the EC2 instance, same EC2 instance, what will happen? Yeah, so instance brought up, and then the status checks, same installation. So anyhow, see here, so what happened? There is public IP, the new public IP after reboot, new public IP got newly created one public IP. But the thing is, so you have to the same IP 13 23 18 27. And let's check DMS and other information. We take installation, it takes some time. Yeah, the installation is coming back, and click my things, and the public zone is same, IP private IP same. Yeah, and the AMI EPC. So your everything is safe apart from public IP. The thing is, the reason why it is changed and what is impact, what if suppose public IP change, they only impact, suppose this is a web application means the other user, the end user, they can't access the web application because the public IP change. But it's rare scenario, even it's rare scenario. So better when you using the public IP, you can make it that even the client too, you can elastic IP. So even though changes, it will be taking automatically. The elastic IP very useful for this kind of scenarios to wait for this instance. And thanks for like this video, please share it. If you have any doubt, please put in comment. And thanks for watching this video.